Hey guys, so I got the C-hubs, the aluminum C-hubs in there. Let's see if I get this car turned around. I had it that way because I was going to show you the setup on it. But they look really nice, all machined. Actually, they went in pretty easy. There's a race Saturday, and I think it's what? Today's Tuesday, so. But I already got the car set up. I'm still running the old. These are the 3-day-old tires. You can kind of tell they were kind of worn down. See how rounded they are right there. And then these spikes kind of rounded too. But I think I'm gonna run these for like the quals, and then on the mains I got brand new ones, or maybe run one of the quals with these and then put the new ones for the second and the main. I'm not sure yet. I don't even know if I'm gonna make the race because I have plans. I plan to go because it's a serious race and it's a lot more people than a club race, so it's funner. But like I said, I don't know what my plans are yet this weekend. But I got the car set up. You really can't tell, but I got 2 degrees out, and can you see it's got a little bit of toe, a little bit, you can kind of tell. You see how it's out a little bit, so, but I'll check it again when I go to the track. I don't have a camera gauge. I was borrowing one from a fellow racer at the club. I do have a height gauge. I set it, so I changed it. I set it to 18, which the build guide says 15 to 18, but I put it at 18 and see what it does. Maybe it'll start squatting. It's starting to feel better now. Oh, and then I also last night I plugged in the programmer and I gave it more punch, so I put it at 8 for the punch, and I put it to have reverse. It's 25% reverse, so in case I get in a jam. And then let me get the Mini B and I'll show you with the Mini B. There's really nothing to it, but I'm gonna show you guys real quick. So on the Mini B, like I said, I still have the plastic shock because this car is bone stock except for the new body that I put on here. That's it. But oh, and I gave it some angle, so it's got 2 degrees out, and it also has oh, my stomach is in the way. 2 degrees out. It did help a little bit, but it's kind of hard to tell because I'm trying to keep up with so I run in the same class as the brushless guys, so they're like 2 to 3 seconds faster. And then they can clear the jumps and I can't. So I'm debating on going brushless too. I don't know though. This car is just a lot of fun. And and then the height. So the height I haven't set. Actually, you know what? I need to ask one of the guys at the club what their height is. And then you see it. Look at that. It has no. So I might have to change the shock oils. It is just super soft. And just bloop, bloop, bloop. Oh, I gotta clean all this out. So this car is very low maintenance for me. I don't really do much maintenance on it. This car has not broke. The only thing this car has done is it pops the ball cups. But you just pop them back in. But brake-wise, it hasn't broke yet. I did buy a metal servo horn. I'm trying to do this one-handed, guys. I'm sorry. Oh my goodness, hold on. Alright, we're back. So I did take off the cover. Oh, I need to unplug it. What am I doing? Oh, no. Big no. So I did get a metal server horn servo horn. Sorry. And then I did get the, who sells it? MIP? MIP sells the diff, the ball diff. I haven't put it in yet. Like I said, probably won't. I probably won't until I take apart the gear, the transmission housing again, which probably won't be for a while. But I do, look at this. So this is the thing about carpet. I mean, it's not as bad as dirt, I guess, but that is the issue with running on carpet. You get, looks like giant hairballs. But it's not bad. You just cut it out and pull it out. Oh, one thing I forgot to say is, so on my 10 scale, right, since I'm running the quals with the older tires, I did glue the outside edge to stiffen it up so I don't get roll, and it's pretty hard. But then again, these are older tires, right? So I don't know if that's going to help much. But I want to test it out, and then on the new tires, I might glue it too. I don't know yet. What do you guys think? Because it's supposed to help with roll. And then also here, maybe I should glue the outside edge. But these tires are, man, look out. These tires still got good life on them. And I've run these. I even let my nephew play with this car on the track, and these tires look really good. But I think it's because this car is a lot slower. It's probably not, eating up, gripping like the 10 scale. But yeah, so like I said, I'm debating on if I'm going to race this weekend or not, but these cars are pretty much ready to go. I'm going to do a review, or I'm going to do a box opening on the mini car that I bought. My next video. So I'm going to do a boxer. So I bought a 27, or mini Z, but it's not a mini Z. A 27 scale pan car for my on-road racing, and I bought a car. And it's probably going to take me a little bit to build it, but definitely need to work on that too. Actually, here's the body for it. This is the new body, and then you cut the top off, and you put this new top on it. So that's for my on-road car. So I'll do a box unboxing in my next little video, but I just wanted to kind of run through these cars real quick that I put them back together, and they're pretty much ready to go. I clean everything up here, so all this is good. I said I programmed the ESC, and then this guy. So I'll probably clean this out. All right, guys, thanks for watching.